So how can you transfer 4K videos from iPhone to the Google Drive? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can literally just open up your Photos app as usual and check out your videos like that, right? So I can even swipe up on it to see that the video is in fact in the 4K resolution, right? The size may be a little bit higher, but of course, that's not really an issue for Google Drive in general. But you need to just select the videos like that, tap on share, and from the apps which show up, try to find the Google Drive. If you don't see it right away, tap on the three dots for more, and then Google Drive should most definitely appear right there. That is, of course, assuming that you have the app installed and like ready on your device. But in here, you get to pick the account where you want to upload it to, and also within it, the specific folder, right? So yeah, that might be like a huge distinction. So you have to basically select the way or space where you want to put it, right? But once you do this, you just confirm it by clicking on the upload button. And again, since it's a 4K video, which is higher in quality, but also higher in the storage, like it's got more gigs for it to be stored. It might take a little bit longer, but it will get the job done eventually. And your videos should then be transferred from iPhone to Google Drive. So let me know if it worked out well for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.